What do we need to feel free? Feeling nothing that controls your life and mind. Begin your journey with FIIDO. Imagine there are no limitations at all, except gravity. The FIIDO electric bike offers an outstanding riding experience due to its 20-inch wheels and Shimano's 7-gear transmission system, which provides stability under any conditions. No matter how fast you are going, the dual disc brake system immediately slows you down. One charge let you travel up to 100 kilometers on a flat road and up to 50 kilometers while using built-in power boost mode. Powerful 250-watt motor provides you sufficient amount of energy for any ride. Aluminum alloy makes it super light, super easy to charge due to hidden battery inside the seat. Its minimalistic and modern design defines the future of electric bikes. FIIDO, sky the limit.
Push the standards of all mountain freeride tires with the beefed up BFT from CST Tires. Meaty center and side knobs to dig in on tight turns and tough climbs. Available with wire or folding bead with EPS exceptional puncture safety. Also equipped with meaty side knobs for ultimate cornering grip. Single or dual compound rubber available. BFT from CST Tires.
The ultimate bike experience is here. Introducing the SuperStra, the world's first unibody carbon fiber composite bike, custom made for you. Each one of our SuperStra bikes is 3D printed with continuous carbon fiber to custom fit your size, ride style, and riding experience. Our frame is made for your frame, which means it'll fit you. And you too. Our bikes are created with precision lasers and robots with quality ensured by our PhD-educated pros. That means a single unibody frame with no joints, no bolts, and no glue. Just one solid piece of industrial-grade carbon fiber. Made of the most advanced composite materials of any bike on the market, the frame is so light it weighs less than 2 water bottles. Seriously, we tested that. Our unique unibody design makes the SuperStra more impact resistant than any other carbon fiber bike on the market. Super light, super strong, this bike is nothing short of revolutionary. Looking for upgrades? We got you covered. Underneath the strong bones is an intelligent infrastructure for power and data flowing throughout the bike. Add all the gadgets you want after the campaign, or none at all, and focus on the ride. Roads, gravel, touring, or visiting grandmother's house at the top of that really steep hill without even breaking a sweat. Our beautiful battery design fits right into your custom-fitted frame, so you can hardly tell it's an e-bike. With its lightweight frame, comfortable ride, and high-quality specs, the SuperStra is the last bike you'll ever need. It will feel like it was made just for you, because it was.
Hi, I'm Wiener Mondesir, the CTO and co-founder of SuperStra. Carbon fiber bikes have been around for decades. They're known for being lightweight and beautiful. Unfortunately, they're also known for being fragile. One hit and your $10,000 bike, it's in pieces. We've solved that. Our engineers have built a unibody carbon fiber frame that's ultra strong and light. But don't take my word for it. Here's two-time Olympian and world record holder, Sky Christopherson.
To have a carbon bike that's light, but also really tough, is like a dream come true.
Hi, I'm Sunny Vu, CEO for SuperStra. To make the SuperStra possible, we've brought together an incredible team of materials specialists, scientists, engineers, designers. Our designer, Bill Stevens, he's an award-winning designer who's designed bikes like the ones that have won the Tour de France. Our team has shipped millions of units of products in the past, so I am confident we can deliver above your expectations. We just need your support to make this happen, so reserve your custom SuperStra today.
We set out to design a stealthy electric bike, one so sexy you couldn't tell it's electric. Job well done. You may remember us from our first campaign when we launched a sleek line of electric bikes for the people. After delivering thousands of bikes around the world, releasing over a dozen new models and countless design iterations, we're ready to release the Babymaker. It's the sexiest and stealthiest e-bike we've ever made. The Babymaker is everything we love about classic road bikes, redesigned with advanced technology for the modern world. The beauty is simplicity. Less is more.
You got enough going on in your life. The last thing you need is more gimmick features you'll never use.
There's no gears to fumble with, no keys, no GPS, no Bluetooth, no pointless app, so you can just enjoy the ride. The Babymaker is simple. It works for you. Just turn it on, hit the pedals, and go. Traditional bikes are limited by your own pedal power, making hills and high speeds challenging. That's why we gave the Babymaker a powerful motor discreetly placed in the rear wheel. Tackle hills with ease and get there in record time, all without breaking a sweat.
Want to get to work fast and fresh? Put in level 5 and let your Babymaker do the work. Want some exercise? Put in level 0 and it's all you, baby.
The Babymaker's classic style turns heads everywhere, yet nobody knows it's electric. That can be our little secret. There's no ugly battery bolted to the bike. Instead, we ditched the unsightly cables and hit a high-capacity lithium battery right in the frame. Charge the battery in just 2 hours and you can ride with pedal assist up to 50 miles per charge. When the battery's out, you can just continue riding forever on your own power. The Babymaker is so lightweight, it pedals just like a normal bike. When you need to slow down, just hit the powerful Magura hydraulic disc brakes and safely stop from high speeds in an instant. The Babymaker Pro has no greasy chain. Instead, it rocks a carbon Gates belt drive. This gives you a remarkably smooth ride that is quiet, clean, and maintenance-free. The Babymaker is our vision of the future of sustainable transportation. It gives you the freedom to ride faster, climb higher, and explore further than ever before. The Babymaker is more than just a bike, it's a movement. If you want to keep more money in your wallet, have more time for the people you love, and breathe more clean air, then this is the bike for you.
The Babymaker is ready for mass production, so reserve yours today and tell your friends, because with your help and our expertise, we're going to build you a bike that will change the way you think about riding forever. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see ya.
If you could design your own e-bike, how would you do it? Would it be classy, sexy? Or perhaps a bold new design that's elegant yet functional? Wonder no more. Introducing Reevo, the hubless e-bike. You'll be turning heads with Reevo's amazingly unique design. The patent-pending hubless wheels are crafted from aerospace-grade alloys and engineered for maximum durability. Reevo also rides and handles exceptionally well, thanks to a strong lightweight core. Feel the need for speed? Simply rev the throttle and watch the world slow down. Reevo's powerful electric drivetrain will get you around in no time. Or, if you prefer, use the incredibly clever pedal assist that adapts to road gradient and provides you with a gentle boost that feels so natural. Ever feel anxious about leaving your bike alone? We feel you. Simply use your fingerprint to lock the bike. A strong wheel lock deploys automatically, out of reach from bolt cutters. No more carrying bulky chains around. An intelligent motion detector activates when the bike is parked. It sounds an alarm and notifies you when someone tries to move your Reevo. But we didn't stop there. An integrated GPS also anchors the bike to its parking spot and lets you track its location in real time. Your Reevo is yours and yours alone. The interplay between light and shadow is a key pillar of our design philosophy. Our designers worked hard to make Reevo a piece of art that looks as amazing at night as it does during the day. And we've also equipped Reevo with the technology to get you around safely at night, with automatic LED headlamps, integrated brake lights, and blinking turn signals. So, commute in style with Reevo, the hubless e-bike that's wonderfully engineered to make every ride exceptional. It's time to upgrade your ride. Reevo is now ready for mass production. We need your help to achieve our minimum order quantities and deliver Reevo into your hands. This is everything you need in an e-bike. This is 5 years of development, hard work and love in a single elegant package that we're proud to introduce to you today. This is Reevo.